Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by clearing the major blockers, tight chest and underactive upper back. First, check posture with a wall test and a chin tuck, note asymmetries. Then spend 1-2 minutes per side on myofascial release using a lacrosse ball across the pec minor and major. Once warmed, pick a light resistance band and do 2 sets of 12 scapular retractions, slow and controlled. This primes the muscles and creates space to lengthen, so the follow-up work actually changes alignment. Now you build durable strength and mobility. Start with face pulls, 3 sets of 10-15, emphasize pulling the elbows high and external rotation to engage rear delts and lower traps. Once done, move to prone Y, T, and I holds, 3 reps of 10-15 seconds each, keeping a deliberate scapular squeeze so the nervous system learns a new resting position. Then address thoracic stiffness with foam roller mobilizations. 8-10 deep breaths across each. Finish by integrating changes into your day. Set a timer and perform a 20-30 second posture cue every 30-60 minutes. Chin tuck plus a scapular set to retrain motor patterns. Progress by incrementally adding load to rows and increasing hold times, while gradually reducing myofascial release as tissue length improves. If you hit persistent sharp pain, stop increasing load, return to gentle mobility and isometrics, and consult a clinician. Minor soreness is normal, but true pain signals mean dial it back and reassess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.